Ah, biomolecules. What about the meaning of biomolecules? Right now, periodic equals carboxylic acid is over. The new chapter is biomolecules. You know, first of all, what is biomolecules? Write down. Biomolecules are lifeless molecules. Biomolecules are lifeless molecules. But under a specific condition, biomolecules are lifeless molecules, but under a specific condition, it combines with body to produce life. To produce life. Think about the meaning of biomolecules. Right now, for example, carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamins, hormones, lipids, enzyme, and nucleic acid. All are the example of biomolecules. You know what biomolecules? Biomolecules are lifeless molecule, but under a specific condition, it combines with body to produce life. For example, carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins, hormones, lipids, enzyme, and nucleic acid. All are biomolecules. Why? Because जब तक ये बॉडी के बाहर है, आपसे अटैच नहीं है, ठीक है? All are behave as non-living things. सब क्या है? ऑर्डर है. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, प्रोटीन, फैट, ठीक है, सब आपको मिलेगा कहाँ पे? मेडिकल लैब में आप जाओगे तो सबका सब आपको वहाँ पे रखा रहेगा, ठीक है? बट जैसे ही आपको क्या होगा, भूख लगेगी, इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स, ऑल इज इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स, जैसे आप उसको लोगे, ठीक है, खाओगे, देन इट प्रोड्यूस लाइफ. व्हाई? बिकॉज दे आर इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स. सब के सब क्या न्यूट्रिएंट्स है? कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन, फैट, विटामिन्स, हार्मोन्स, लिपिड्स, एंजाइम एंड न्यूक्लिक एसिड. ये तो नहीं आपका न्यूक्लिक एसिड एंड हार्मोन्स, एंजाइम, ठीक है ना? बट यहाँ पर क्या है? कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन, फैट आर इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स. ऑल आर बायोमोलिक्यूल्स. इन्हें बहुत मीनिंग है बायोमोलिक्यूल्स. Biomolecules are lifeless molecule, but under a specific condition, it combine with body to produce life. For example, carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins, hormones, lipids, enzyme, and nucleic acid. Okay. So first compound is carbohydrates. Write down carbohydrates. 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 First of all, what is the meaning of carbohydrates? Carbo stand for carbon, hydrates, that is the hydrogen and oxygen. In simple, you call carbohydrates are the hydrates of carbon. It is the old definition. But in chemistry, you can define carbohydrate with the help of another way. How? Carbohydrates are, write down, carbohydrates are optically active. polyhydroxy aldehyde. And polyhydroxy ketones. Okay, so carbohydrates are optically active polyhydroxy aldehyde and polyhydroxy ketones. What is the meaning of definition? See, CHO stand for aldehyde. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. CH2 OH. Then OH, H, OH, OH, H, HO, H, H. Structure of D-glucose. D stand for dextrorotatory, clockwise rotation. This is the structure of what? Glucose. Glucose is what? Example of carbohydrates. Here 1 hydroxy group, 2 hydroxy group, 3 hydroxy group, 4 hydroxy group, 5 hydroxy group. Then it is called polyhydroxy aldehyde. Polyhydroxy aldehyde. Okay? Here carbohydrates are optically active. What is the meaning of optically active? This carbon atom attached to aldehyde, OH, H and this group. So this carbon is optically active. Why? Because attached to 4 different groups. And about the meaning of asymmetric carbon atom, optically active carbon atom. If carbon atom attached to 4 different groups, that carbon is called asymmetric carbon atom. And asymmetric carbon atom is also known as optically active carbon atom. What? Optically active carbon atom. So this carbon atom is optically active. Why? Attached to 4 different groups. So carbohydrates are optically active. Polyhydroxy aldehyde. Why? There is more hydroxy group present in the structure and also contain aldehyde group. It is aldehyde. Okay, it is polyhydroxy aldehyde. And second, CH2OH. C double bond O. C H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. CH2OH. OH. OH. HO. H and H. Okay. Structure of fructose. What? Fructose. Both have same molecular formula. C6H12O6 and C6H12O6. Right now, second one is polyhydroxy ketones. Why? It also contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hydroxy group. If more than 3 hydroxy group, we call polyhydroxy. So carbohydrates are polyhydroxy aldehyde and polyhydroxy ketones. Okay, and this carbon atom is optically active, attached to 1, 2, 3, 4 different groups. So it is also optically active. Carbohydrates are optically active, polyhydroxy aldehyde and polyhydroxy ketones. Okay, done. Right on. Shall I go right? Understood. Sanjana. Okay, done. अभी सारा लिखे हुआ है। Next point, classification of carbohydrates. Classification of carbohydrates. Classification of, write down, classification of carbohydrates. It may be classified into two types. First, simple sugar, and second one is complex sugar. Complex sugar. Simple sugar, monosaccharides. What? Monosaccharides. Mono means one, saccharide sugar. It contains 1 moles of sugar. For example, glucose, fructose, and galactose. What? Galactose. All are simple sugar, and these monosaccharides can be classified into two types. First, aldoses, and second, ketoses. Aldoses again classified into four types. First, aldo trioses. Second, aldo tetroses. Aldo pentoses. And next one is aldo hexoses. Okay, you got it? These monosaccharides can be classified into two types, aldoses and ketoses, depending on the aldehyde and ketonic group. Okay, then aldoses containing aldotrioses, aldotetroses, aldopentoses, and aldohexoses. And it also classified into, first one is keto trioses, keto tetroses, keto and last one is keto. Okay, you got it? Then these are the classification of monosaccharides. Simple sugar, that is monosaccharides, and monosaccharide may be classified into aldoses and ketoses. Then aldoses again classified into aldotrioses, aldotetroses, aldopentoses, aldohexoses. Aldotrioses stand for diglyceraldehyde. Its other name is diglyceraldehyde. Then aldotetroses stand for erythrose. What? Erythrose. Aldopentoses, ribose, and aldohexoses, what? Glucose. Diglyceraldehyde, erythrose, next one is ribose and glucose. Then it is dihydroxyketones. Keto trioses stand for dihydroxyketones. The next one is erythrulose. What? Erythrulose, ribulose, and fructose. Other name of aldoketo what? Saccharide. ठीक है आपने aldoses and ketoses इसका क्लासिफिकेशन हो गया. Next point, complex sugar. It may be classified into two types. First one is oligosaccharides. monosaccharides containing 2 to 10 moles of monosaccharides. What? 2 to moles of monosaccharides. The next one is polysaccharides. Polysaccharides. Okay. What? Oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. Then these oligosaccharides can be classified into disaccharide. What? Disaccharide. The next one is trisaccharides. And third, tetrasaccharides. Okay, tetrasaccharides. You know disaccharides? Yes. Disaccharide, for example, sucrose. What? Sucrose. Then lactose. And third, maltose. All are the example of disaccharides. Then trisaccharide, raffinose. And tetrasaccharides. Pistachios. Okay, so these are the example of oligosaccharides. And here oligosaccharides 2 to 10 moles. Here is only 2 moles, 2 moles, 2 moles, 2, 3, 4. But यहाँ पे कितना है? 2 कितना है? 10 moles है. हम लोगों ने कितना लिखा है? केवल 3 लिखा है. Disaccharide, trisaccharide and tetrasaccharide. Actual में कितना है? 2 to 10 moles of monosaccharides. 2 to 10 moles of monosaccharides. The example of polysaccharide is cellulose. Then next one is starch. Chitin, glycogen, you know. So these are the classification of carbohydrates. Classification of carbohydrates. Here, carbohydrates are optically active polyhydroxyaldehyde and polyhydroxyketones. It may be classified into simple sugar and complex sugar. Simple sugar, that is monosaccharides. What is monosaccharide? Monosaccharides are the simple sugar that cannot be hydrolyzed under normal condition. Under mild condition, monosaccharides are simple sugar that cannot be hydrolyzed under mild condition. Okay, for example, glucose C6H12O6 do not hydrolyze. Okay, then fructose, galactose, all are the example of monosaccharides. It is a simple sugar that cannot be hydrolyzed under mild condition. It may be classified into aldoses and what? Aldoses and ketoses. Aldoses may be classified into loudly bolo. Aldo-trioses, aldo-tetroses, aldo-pentoses, aldo-hexoses. Then ketoses may be classified into keto-trioses, keto-tetroses, keto-pentoses and keto-hexoses. It contains 3 carbon atom, 4 carbon atom, 5 carbon atom and 6 carbon atom. Same 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5 carbon, 6 carbon. So these are the classification of simple sugar. Okay, all of you got it? Yes. Abhishek, समझा पूरा? Good. Next, second one is complex sugar. It may be classified into oligosaccharide and polysaccharides. You know what the meaning of oligosaccharides? Oligosaccharides on hydrolysis give 2 to 10 moles of monosaccharides. Oligosaccharides on hydrolysis give 2 to 10 moles of monosaccharides. Okay, then it may be classified into disaccharide, trisaccharide, tetrasaccharide, pentasaccharide and so on. Disaccharide on hydrolysis give 2 moles of monosaccharides. Disaccharides stand for containing 2 moles of monosaccharides. So disaccharide on hydrolysis to give 2 moles of monosaccharides. For example, sucrose, lactose, maltose. So sucrose on hydrolysis give 2 moles of glucose, monosaccharides. Glucose and fructose. Sucrose on hydrolysis give 2 moles of monosaccharides. What? Glucose and fructose. Glucose and fructose. Then lactose on hydrolysis give 2 moles of monosaccharides. Glucose and galactose. Glucose and galactose. And maltose on hydrolysis give 2 moles of glucose molecules. 2 moles of glucose molecules. Then raffinose, trisaccharide. Trisaccharide on hydrolysis give 3 moles of monosaccharides. Give 3 moles of monosaccharides. For example, raffinose. Raffinose on hydrolysis give glucose, fructose, then galactose. Glucose, fructose, galactose. And next one is tetrasaccharides. Tetrasaccharides on hydrolysis give 4 moles of monosaccharide. Tetra means what? 4. And give 4 moles of monosaccharides. Glucose, fructose, galactose. That is statiose. Statiose on hydrolysis give glucose, fructose, galactose. So these are the example of what? Di, tri and tetrasaccharides. And next one is polysaccharides. Say about the meaning of polysaccharide. Polysaccharides on hydrolysis give large number of monosaccharides. For example, cellulose. You know about cellulose. Or what? Polysaccharide, starch, chitin. So what is the main sources of cellulose? Plants. Plant cell wall contain cellulose. Okay, starch. You know about starch and chitin. Okay, all are the example of polysaccharides. So these are the example of polysaccharides, and these are the classification of carbohydrates. Okay.